Salman Khan is making waves on social media with his stunning transformation, and fans can't get enough of it. The megastar's new look is turning heads, and it's going viral everywhere. In the latest pictures posted by Race 3 co-star Sajan Singh, Salman is seen flaunting his leaner physique. The actor looks dashing as ever, wearing a black t-shirt and blue denim jeans, posing with Sajan and his family. But what really caught everyone's attention was his incredible transformation after the release of Sikandar. The pictures quickly went viral, with Bhaijaan's fans flooding the comments section. One fan wrote, "Bhai is getting back in shape." Another added, "Ek number Bhaijaan." A third fan couldn't help but comment, "Salman looking damn hot." But here's the twist, Salman's new look is linked to something bigger. Reports suggest that he's preparing for a deeply personal and transformative role in his upcoming film, based on the life of Army officer Colonel Bikumallah Santosh Babu. Sources close to the production say that Salman is fully committed to the role, which requires both intense physical and emotional preparation. Filming will take place in the challenging, high-altitude terrains of Leh, where the conditions demand more than just a fit body. It's about resilience, endurance, and emotional depth. One source shared, "He's not just wearing a uniform, he's shouldering the story of a national hero. The AK-47 he'll be seen carrying is just a symbol. The real challenge lies in braving the harsh climate, the thin mountain air, and long shoot hours." His preparation goes beyond the physical. It's about capturing the spirit of Colonel Babu. Salman is approaching the role with the utmost sincerity and respect, fully aware of the responsibility he has in portraying such a real-life hero. As the insider added, he's not training for the camera alone. He's training out of deep respect for every soldier who serves the country. So, get ready to see a completely new side of Salman Khan in this upcoming war drama. We can't wait to see him bring Colonel Santosh Babu's heroic story to life. Janelia D'Souza is all set to make a big comeback with Sitare Zameen Par, where she'll be seen playing Aamir Khan's wife. The film marks a fresh on-screen pairing that's already creating buzz. In a recent interview, Janelia shared how excited the industry was when her casting was announced. "When people got to know I'm doing Sitare Zameen Par, everybody said, 'Oh my god, so lucky, you're doing an Aamir Khan film.' I said, 'Of course, that's Aamir sir's bigness that he saw something in me. Of course, he made me audition. But you could also do that, right? You could also offer me a role," Janelia said. Despite the warm reaction, Janelia didn't hold back from calling out Bollywood for not offering her roles after marriage. She continued, "But you go as per the norms. Maybe you think I'm married, so I don't need this character. I just feel filmmaking has changed, and so should our mentality." Janelia also emphasized the importance of age-appropriate casting. "It's very important that if you want a character of a certain age, you should cast someone of that age. When we cast an actor who's much younger than the character I played, they can't understand the little things of it," she said. "It's important to cast right, and I hope opportunities go everyone's way." The film is an official Hindi adaptation of the Spanish film Campeones. Both Aamir and Janelia play characters in their early 40s, though Aamir, now 60, dismissed the age gap concerns. At a recent press event, Aamir said, "I have a compulsive streak. If something enters my bloodstream, I can't stay away." Directed by R.S. Prasanna, Sitare Zameen Par releases in June 2025. Will this unexpected duo win hearts? Stay tuned. Deepika Padukone's recent exit from Sandeep Reddy Vanga's much-anticipated film Spirit, starring Prabhas, has generated a lot of buzz in the industry. The actress stepped away from the project after the director refused to accommodate her request for a shorter, 8-hour workday. Deepika, who recently embraced motherhood, wanted more time to spend with her newborn baby and felt that the intense work hours would affect her family life. Following her exit, the filmmaker announced Tripti Dimri as her replacement, sharing the news on social media. While the change in cast may have surprised many, it also sparked a much-needed conversation about work-life balance in the film industry. As the news of Deepika's departure spread, several celebrities stepped forward to support her decision and weigh in on the ongoing debate about working hours in the film industry. Actor Saundarya Sharma shared her perspective in a recent interview, stating, "I think to each their own. Of course, I'm nobody to speak for anybody, but in my capacity, I can say when you're working with certain people, you know your bandwidth. It's about mutual understanding. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then it doesn't." Sharma emphasized that a mutual understanding between actors and filmmakers is essential for creating a healthy working environment. Neha Dhupia also expressed her support for Deepika on Instagram, writing, "For work-life balance to go beyond conversations, new moms need practical support and consideration. Instead, we often get shamed or sidelined. As a working mom, I support Deepika Padukone's reasonable request for fair and considerate working hours." Her message resonated with many, highlighting the challenges that working mothers face in maintaining a balance between their personal and professional lives. Bollywood veteran Ajay Devgan also came out in support of Deepika, commenting on the situation. He said, "It's not that it's not going down well with people. Most of the honest filmmakers will not have problems with it. Being a mother and working for 8 hours, most people have started working 8-9 hour shifts." Devgan's words echoed the sentiment that a more humane approach to work schedules is necessary, particularly for parents. Filmmaker Mani Ratnam also offered his support, calling Deepika's request a rightful demand. He said, "I'm glad she's in a position to ask for it. I think as a filmmaker, you will take that into consideration when you cast. It is not an unreasonable thing to ask, but an absolute necessity." Ratnam's statement emphasized the importance of considering the personal circumstances of actors when crafting work schedules, especially when it comes to their family life. Actor Barun Sobti also weighed in, expressing his thoughts on working hours in the film industry. He stated, "I won't mind fewer working hours. Producers nowadays want actors to work for 12 hours and travel for 2 hours, which gets hectic. I'd like to make everyone's life simpler if I become a producer someday." Sobti highlighted the exhaustion that comes with long working hours, particularly for actors who have to travel extensively, and expressed his desire to improve conditions if given the opportunity. The conversation sparked by Deepika Padukone's exit from Spirit has shed light on the challenges of balancing work and family life, especially for working mothers. As the film industry slowly evolves, it's clear that more flexibility and understanding in work schedules are needed to accommodate the personal lives of actors without compromising their professional responsibilities. Deepika's stance has encouraged many others in the industry to speak up about the need for change, and it's clear that these conversations will continue to shape the future of the entertainment world. Meanwhile, Deepika is set to star in at least highly anticipated film with Allu Arjun, tentatively titled A22XA6, which is expected to be a major highlight in her career.
बिग बॉस ओटीटी फेम अभिषेक मल्हान के भाई ट्रिगर्ड इंसान अका निश्चय मल्हान की हो गई है शादी और नेटिजन्स कह रहे हैं इसे एक फेरी टेल वेडिंग। ट्रिगर्ड इंसान अका निश्चय मल्हान और रुचिका ने कर ली है शादी और फैंस इनकी लव स्टोरी को कह रहे हैं ब्यूटीफुल एंड देयर वेडिंग स्ट्रेट आउट ऑफ अ फेरी टेल। यूट्यूबर निश्चय मल्हान अका ट्रिगर्ड इंसान जो है एल्डर ब्रदर ऑफ द बिग बॉस ओटीटी फेम अभिषेक मल्हान ने कर ली है शादी अपनी लॉन्ग टाइम गर्लफ्रेंड रुचिका राठौड़ के साथ ऑन जून 10। अपने क्लोज फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली की प्रेजेंस में इस कपल ने शादी रचा ली और निश्चय मल्हान ने शादी की कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स शेयर की हैं ऑन हिज इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल, जिसमें उन्होंने कैप्शन में लिखा है लव फिल्ड फॉरएवर। निश्चय मल्हान और रुचिका अपने लाइफ की एक नई जर्नी को करने वाले हैं स्टार्ट और कपल की वेडिंग फोटो सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल हो गई हैं। अभिषेक मल्हान अका फुकरा इंसान जो कि रनर अप रह चुके हैं बिग बॉस OTT 2 के, उन्होंने भी निश्चय के पोस्ट को अपने स्टोरी पे शेयर किया और लिखा शादीशुदा ट्रिगू। वेडिंग फोटोज में निश्चय काफी रीगल एंड रॉयल लग रहे हैं ना। कस्टम डिजाइन्ड बेज शेरवानी पेयर्ड विद अ मैचिंग टर्बन क्राफ्टेड एक्सक्लूसिवली। तो वहीं पर रुचिका रेड वाइब्रेंट लहंगा में बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं विद अ चूड़ा, मांग टीका, नथ, स्टेटमेंट ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरी और एक क्लासिक बिंदी के साथ। मेकअप उनका नेचुरल है जो कि उनकी खूबसूरती को और भी ज्यादा बढ़ा रहा है। निश्चय की इन वेडिंग फोटोज पर कई सारे लोग कमेंट भी कर रहे हैं और कपल को बेस्ट विशेस दे रहे हैं, जहां पर लोगों ने लिखा है नजर न लगे, माशाल्लाह, जुग जुग जियो, दूधो नहाओ, पूतो फलो, मेनी कंग्रेचुलेशंस ब्रदर। करणवीर बोहरा जो कि एक टीवी एक्टर है, उन्होंने लिखा है भाई कंग्रेचुलेशंस। तो वहीं पर राघव शर्मा ने लिखा है बहुत बहुत बधाई। बाकी और लोगों ने लिखा है एक्साइटेड टू सी निश्चय एंड रुचिका स्टार्ट देयर लाइव्स टुगेदर। एक और फैन ने लिखा भाई सो ड्रीमी, इतने सुंदर इंसान होते हैं आप लोग, तो बिल्कुल राधा कृष्ण लग रहे हैं। Another fan said, referring to the Indian god Lord Krishna. One user said, they proved the saying keep your relationship private till it becomes permanent. जो भी है, निश्चय और रुचिका के वेडिंग फोटोज काफी खूबसूरत हैं और हम भी उन्हें इस खूबसूरत मौके पर देना चाहते हैं ढेर सारी गुड विशेस।
There's some exciting news coming from the Khan family. Actor-director Arbaz Khan is all set to embrace fatherhood once again. And he's finally spoken about it for the first time since the rumors started doing the rounds. Arbaz, who tied the knot with makeup artist Shura Khan in 2023, is living a blissful married life. The couple often wins hearts online with their sweet chemistry, and now they have even more to celebrate. For the first time since pregnancy reports surfaced, Arbaz has opened up about becoming a dad again. He admitted, "I'm nervous," but he was quick to add, "Everyone tends to be nervous at this stage." Arbaz, who already has a son from his first marriage with Malaika Arora, said this new chapter feels fresh. He shared, "I'm becoming a father after quite some time now, hence it is a fresh feeling for me all over again." He went on to say, "I'm looking forward to it, and it's giving me a new sense of happiness and responsibility. I'm kind of liking that." Pregnancy rumors began after Shura was spotted outside a maternity clinic. While the couple kept things quiet, Arbaz's recent comments hint that an official announcement might be coming soon. On the work front, Arbaz is busy as a producer for Dabangg 4 and may even reprise his role as Makhanchand Pandey. In a recent interview, Arbaz confirmed, "We are going to do it. The period between Dabangg 3 and 4 won't be as long as between the second and third installments. It won't take very long." He added, "We both need to get out of our engagements to which we have committed prior, and then maybe sit, lock ourselves thinking, and work on it." Big changes are on the way for Arbaz Khan, both at home and on the big screen. "We can't wait to see it all unfold,"